back with another video on Parents and Grandparents PR program PGP 2022. In today's video, we will talk about how to pay fees online for PGP program, whose email should be used for the account, whose credit card or debit card can be used. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Charisma. Hope you all doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, I provide information and free advice about Canadian immigration and help people to apply for Canada PR, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further delay, let's start today's video. So let's start with whose email address should be used for the fees account. To pay the fees using an online tool, you can create an account with any name or with any email address. It should not necessarily be in the principal applicant or sponsor's name. You can use the same email address which you used to create the PR portal account, means parents email, or you can use the sponsor's email address or any other friend or relative's email address to create the account to pay your fees online. Whose credit or debit card can be used? You can use any debit or credit card to pay the fees. The account holder's name and the card holder's name are not required to be the same. If you want to use a debit card, I repeat, a debit card, then you can only use a Canadian bank debit card or Visa debit. Credit card, you can use any credit card to pay the fees. To pay your fees, click on this link, Pay Your Fees, in the application, or you can go directly to this page. I will leave the link in the description below. Just scroll down, read that instructions if you want to. Here in step 2 you can see that what kind of cards are accepted to pay your fees. Then scroll down and here in option 2 just select here permanent residence, and then the next question is, are you paying the right of permanent residence fee for an application you have already submitted? Select no and click on see list of fees. On next page, choose parents and grandparents under family sponsorship. On this page, you need to choose the type of fees and quantities. You need to pay two types of fees, application processing fees and right of permanent residence fees. It's totally up to you if you want to pay only application processing fee right now and you want to pay right of permanent residence fee when they will ask you, or you can pay both together. If you want to pay both the fees together, then choose this option for the principal applicant, one here, and choose this option that includes your spouse or partner of your parent or grandparent with processing fee and right of permanent residence fee. Write quantity 1 here. After that, scroll down. If any dependent child there, write quantity here. And then for biometrics, if there is a single parent, write 1 here. Otherwise, you can choose this package here, which is for family of 2 or more, up to I think so 5 people. Choose this and click on submit. If you want to pay only processing fee right now, not the permanent residence fee, then you need to write quantity 1 here for the principal applicant. This says that to sponsor your parents and grandparents without the right of permanent residence fee. And for the spouse, you need to write quantity 1 here. Again, if there is any dependent children or biometrics fees, choose according to how many people in your file and then click on submit. Here you can see that it is showing me the total balance, that how much I need to pay. I chose only one fees processing fee for the principal applicant and for spouse and the biometrics for 2 people, and then click on login and pay. On this page, if you have already an account, just write your email address, password and login. Otherwise, click on register to create an account. You can use the same email address which you used to create an account on permanent residence portal. You can use any credit card or debit card to pay your fees, because it doesn't matter if account holder and card holder name is different. It's not a problem. To create an account, first write your email address here to get a confirmation code and click on continue. Step 2, create a password. Here is the specification for that. Step 3, create a security question. So first question you can choose and answer here, and then read the next question, answer here, and third question and answer here. You can keep a copy of these answers for recovery so you can recover your account later. So that's how create a recovery question and click on continue. On next page, enter the verification code here which you got in your email and click on verify. Here you got thank you for confirming your email and click on continue. Here you can check your selection again and scroll down and click here that I'm not robot. If you want to make any change here, click on make a change, otherwise click on confirm payment. Here you will get the disclaimer, you can read it, and once you're done, just accept the term and conditions that you understood the disclaimer and click on proceed to secure checkout. On next page, you can provide your card details and then click on checkout. Next, it will ask you to check your last 4 digits of your phone number so they can send you a secure code. If it is right, just click on next. Enter the verification code here and click on verify. Here your payment is done. You will get confirmation notice with confirmation number here. If you want to, you can view or print here, or just scroll down. You will find all the details here, your account details, your payment details here, and then scroll down. You can find additional options there. You can save your receipt in the computer. Make sure you will save it. I will save it for sure in my computer, and then I will also email myself, so you can email yourself. Now if you want to check your old receipts, if you had that account before, or you want to make another payment, otherwise click on quit. You will get the message here that you have successfully logged out from the account and your payment receipt is ready to upload. That's all for today. I will be back with the last video in the series. We will discuss document checklist, how to label the documents and how to upload the documents, and we will submit the application to IRCC in this video. To get the notification, please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.